So let's see how do we actually learn reverse percentage. What is reverse percentage? Reverse percentage is the type of question where they will give you the percentage change from the beginning value, and then they also give you the final value, but you will be asked to actually identify what is the original value. So in this case, it is always better for us to draw out a before and after diagram. So if you have a before value, which is x, and then you have the after value, which is a y, and then from before to after there is an increment or decrement of a percentage. If you can present this into a diagram, you can easily form that into this equation, which is your original before value multiplied by 1 plus or minus, depending on whether it's an increment or decrement of the percentage. This will be giving you the final after value. So therefore, to solve this kind of question, always start off with a before and after diagram, then fill in the information, whether you fill in the x value or the percentage change value, and also the final value, and then you will be left with only one unknown. You just have to solve for that particular unknown. Let's look at example 1. Stephanie buy a book in a sale for $19.20. This sale price is after a reduction of 20%. Calculate the original price of the book. So this question is actually asking for original price, which is saying that if you are going to draw the before and after diagram, we do not have the before value because your before value is your original price. However, we do have 19.2, which is your after value, which is after the discount. So from original price to the final price, there is actually a 20% reduction, or we can say 20% discount. So what we are going to do is we are going to complete this whole diagram and then convert this whole diagram into an equation. So based on the equation that we are having here, so we will start off with our original value amount multiplied by 1 minus of the 20%, which is the discount. That will give us the final value of 19.2. Therefore, you need to remember that you must change this to a decimal number, which is a 0.2. So therefore, this whole thing will now become x multiplied by 0.8 because you are using 1 minus 0.2. So it will give you 0.8 equals to 19.2. So in order to find the x value, we will just have to use 19.2 divided by 0.8. This will give us the x value of $24. So this will be our final answer, which means that our original price is actually $24. Let's look at the second example. In 2019, the member fee of the cycling club is $79.5. There is a 6% increment more than last year. So find the increase in the cost of the membership. So again, this is an increment of 6% from the last year. So it's better for us to do a before and after case diagram. So do we know the before? We do not know, because we know that the 79.5 is actually the after value. And this after value is actually a 6% increment from the previous year. So therefore, we can represent our diagram into this format. So let's find the original value first. So what do? We use x multiplied by 1 plus 6%, because it's an increment. They will give us the final value of 79.5. So again, if you convert this into full number, we should be getting x multiplied by 1.06 equals to 79.5. Therefore, in order to find the x value, we will use 79.5 to divide by 1.06. So this should give us the value of 75. So this is saying that our original value is $75. But the question is not asking for original value only. They are asking you how much increase is the cost. So how do we do next is, we know that we are actually having the membership fee of 79.5, but then original price is 75. So if we minus them off, we will be getting 4.5. Therefore, this is telling us that there is an increase of $4.50 for the membership fees.